Hey guys, 2nd of June. I'm here in the shed culling a few things, and thought I'd show you some things I don't think you've seen. Might be one or two in here that you've seen when I've been on the river. Anyway, we'll go ahead and get started. I got a good bit of stuff here. I'm trying to think that I might need to be doing these videos with a little bit less to go over. But anyway, we'll start up here. These pieces up here are just different polishing stones. These two are very similar in how they're designed to work. Anyway, that's a left-handed piece there. Really good hard material, mostly quartzite, a little bit of blue granite in it. Flat, really flat. You can see the wear a little bit around the edges when they get it up on the edges. That's what happens with wears, and that's a good way of telling what part of the stone is the part that's used to grind or polish. It's a nice little piece. It's a sandstone piece here. Right-handed piece. Some thumb notch there. It's a polishing or grinding surface there. All rounded along the top up here. Make it comfortable in your hand. See the chipping done. Really a hard, pretty dense sandstone. Here's another little granite piece. Like I tell you guys, you need to flip these rocks. You'd look at this, you wouldn't think, but there it is. Polishing piece. It's dimpled a little bit on this side right here, so I'm thinking that might have been a right-handed piece. You can all see how it's been ground down right in here too. It's a little bit hard to tell, but this is more of the, I wouldn't call this cortex, but anyway, that surface is ground. Pretty neat piece here. I know it was used to sharpen probably a metal blade. My guess. This is probably not a very old piece, maybe 400 or 500 years old. You see the wear right up here. So something was going across it up there on the top, but it's really got you know, about as straight an edge as you could possibly imagine in a stone, but I don't know how you could do that with anything other than metal. But anyway, it's chipped on the side. It's a solid piece of quartz. Used to sharpen something, more likely metal. So I'm going with Cherokee on this one, not Mississippian. Okay, let's go up here. These are bigger stones here. This was a surface find I found on the gravel bar up at the fish dam site. I told you I was going to get back to hunting that again a little bit more. I've just been neglecting it for forever. There's your grinding surface there, but it's a little, what I'd call a duck head piece, and notched out there. You see the pecking marks on that part here. Blue granite, polished off. Nice little piece, just laying on the top. This one I found the other day. This is a big sandstone grinder. You see the wear along the edges. Chip down on the top, chip around the sides and polish a little bit. Of course, they would hold it like that too when their hands got tired of holding it the other way. And here's another one that you need to look at long and hard. If you saw this laying in the creek, you'd think it wasn't anything, but I've been doing it long enough to see something like this. It kind of sparks my curiosity. It chipped out on the side here, on both sides, and I could tell when I looked at it in the water that it had been polished and had been chipped down, layered down right here on the front. There's your grinding surface there. Look at the wear around the edges on this piece. It was used a lot. This is a quartz piece, which is kind of rare. I just sold this thing like that, and these notches are for your fingers and thumbs. I like finding pieces like this. These are a little bit more of a mystery, and you have to kind of look at them a little bit more. This is just kind of an interesting piece here. This is a little small grinder, polisher. This thing is quartz for the most part. See where it's been chipped along the edges here. Very thin layer of black stone on the top. I mean thin. And then here on this grinding side here, it's just a block. It's just a grinding block. Finger held probably. Pretty. Yeah, it's mostly quartz, almost iridescent in parts. But it's got staining, you know, where it's been handled around the edges. This is something pretty neat too. This is just a little hand grinder. This is sandstone. It's pink sandstone. This did not come from around here. I can assure you that. In fact, I'm not real sure. Maybe over in Tennessee there's some pink sandstone. I'm not real sure, but not around here. See where it's been chipped and held. Pretty neat. This is one I know was in another video. This is a sandstone piece. Got some oil on it. I think that came from a shop here somehow. I've been working on mowers and things like that, so a nice little piece. Little thumb notch right there, chipped out. It's a left-hand piece. It's your actual grinding surface there. I beveled a little bit on the tip there. Had it up on the edge. The other one. See the staining from the fingers. It's a pretty neat piece here. The sandstone. These bevels on it. See if I can get this thing where you can see it a little better. It's a little better. Just use it to grind things down. And right up here, that's where your finger, a little notch right there. nice piece. Here's a couple, 2 hammerstones here. I'll pick this one up right here. See where it's dimpled out on the sides here, and that's your striking surface right there. It's dimpled a little bit in the back on the back side there. Little quartz one here. Some more polishing pieces. We'll work down in the side. That's a right-handed piece for your thumb. Quartzite. Little granite piece here. Grinding surface or polishing surface there. Again, you need to hold it like this when your hands got tired. And here's a little low-grade red sapphire piece here. Almost identical concept to this one here. They're both very similar design. Real heavy. Sapphire is heavy. Hold it on the sides for a while. Hold it in the front for a while, depending on how you want to do it. And a bunch of little polishing pieces here, real small finger held pieces. Pretty neat piece here. A small piece. This is pretty neat. This is a piece of mostly quartz, and it's just got a whole bunch of facets on it. There, 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 there. I find a few like that. They're pretty rare though. Little quartz piece, little finger piece. Get your polishing surface there. This was in another video. I was really finding a lot of small stuff. Just a little finger held piece. A dimple in the back for some reason. See it in a lot of my stuff. We polished. We'll have similar shapes. All right, guys. We'll end it here, and hope you're doing well. And I'm gonna go over this birdstone. Talk about this in a little bit more detail next video. We'll talk to you later.